Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and I will show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'm going to measure sound level with this decibelmeter like in any other video, and I'm going to turn it on to the maximum volume mode. As you can see right now it's enabled, and it means that our device will only register the volume level when the previous one will be higher. I mean higher than the previous ones. So right now when I'm going to talk a little bit louder, hello, as you can see the values right here change and only register the highest volume level. So let's set it up. Let's start. Okay, as you can see, this smartphone reached 109.2 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.